My name's Lewis Jones. I'm from Jackson, Mississippi. Born and raised, graduated high school there. Went to New England and went to college at the University of Connecticut and moved back to Mississippi and graduated med school at the University of Mississippi Medical Center and stayed there for residency training and fellowship training. Medicine has a lot of different specialties to go into. For me, as I was going through training, I realized what I liked and what I was really passionate about. And for me, that is helping people solve hard problems and using my hands at work. All those things led me to gravitate towards orthopedic surgery. I joined OrthoArkansas because of what this group represents. I have long-standing relationships with some of the partners in this group, but I know them from reputation to be an incredibly well-run, compassionate group of very talented surgeons and associated staff. Your experience here is the most important thing for us. And experience goes beyond us being able to offer you surgery or not. It's the way that you feel. It's the way that you're talked to. It's the way that you're treated when something doesn't go right, just as much as when it does go right. And that should be the standard of care here, and it is, absolutely.